Alright, in order to fight this battle of cancer, scientists have adopted genetic targeting and target medications in pharmacogenetics. We already do have radiation and, and UTIs and so on, but they don't always work. And surgical procedures don't always work, and cancer does come back occasionally, and it is hard to deal with that, especially the mental toll it takes on a person, losing hair, causing them to vomit, not have an appetite, and etc. So it's better to do genetic targeting and target medications in order to try to reverse these effects and to make it better for the patient. Now, what can you do to fight these odds? In order to fight these odds, you can avoid cautions like don't smoke, obviously, to avoid lung cancer, put on sunscreen to shorten your chance of getting skin cancer, adopt a healthier lifestyle to prevent the mutations from forming too often, and inform your doctor if something is wrong, and get a second opinion even if the doctor says you're fine. If you don't feel fine and you know for sure that you're sick, go to another doctor if they refuse to help you or prescribe you, because in their mind they may think you're fine because they still have that mentality that black people can handle pain better, and that is not the case. And as I said, alert your doctor if you are not feeling well, and do not let them say otherwise. There have been too many cases when doctor says patients are fine to end up in the hospital or worse. And you don't want that to be the case. I understand it's hard in this day and age to be a black person and get along in the current society we live in, but you need to make sure to establish that you are a person and that you are a human being and you deserve the same medical treatment as everyone else. Times are changing where they are getting somewhat better, but they are not all the way there yet. So regardless of where you come from, you should be able to get the same exact health treatment as a said white person would, in the same economic era and etc. as you. So that concludes it for today. Hope everyone has a fun day. And all, these are my sources. If you want to read up on any of the information I went over, Public Health Services Syphilis Study in Tuskegee is a very interesting article if you want to learn more about medical experiments that were performed on black people without their knowledge. And also how basically the medical community failed black people. And this article goes more into depth about that. Well, thank you and have a good day.